gives a town its name, and how often do we stop to ask if the answer is still visible today? Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Three Hills began quietly with a post office in 1904 serving scattered settlers in the rolling prairie. By 1912, the community shifted to its present site along the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway, ensuring it would grow with the trains that carried grain and supplies across Alberta. The town was incorporated as a village that same year, and by 1929, it had become a town in its own right. Walking through today, you can still see traces of those early years. The Nihil Historical Museum, housed in rail cars and heritage buildings, preserves artifacts from the town's beginnings. Prairie College, founded in 1922 as the Prairie Bible Institute, remains a defining institution. Its campus is a reminder of how education and faith shaped the community. Even the grid of streets near the railway line reflects the practical planning of a town built to serve farmers and travelers alike. So what about the name Three Hills? To the north of town, three modest rises in the landscape gave settlers a simple landmark. They weren't dramatic peaks, just slightly larger than normal hills, but they stood out enough to orient newcomers on the prairie. The quiet feature became the town's identity, a name carried forward long after the railway and college became its more visible markers. Today, Three Hills is a steady community of just over 3,000 people, shaped by its agricultural roots and anchored by the institutions that have endured for more than a century. The hills are still there, unchanged, while the town around them has grown into a place where history is not hidden. It's woven into everyday life. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.